Hello, Trailblazers, and welcome back to the Declarative Academy, your trusted guide to mastering Salesforce step by step. I'm delighted you're here today. If you're looking to confidently maintain your Salesforce Administrator certification for Spring 24, you've clicked on the right video. In this tutorial, we'll dive into the Spring 24 maintenance module covering enhancements to dynamic actions for mobile devices, exciting new intelligence views for leads, contacts, and accounts, plus essential tips to protect the integrity of your certification. Ready? Let's jump right in. Remember, maintaining your Salesforce Administrator certification isn't just about checking a box, it's about staying current with powerful new tools and capabilities. Make sure your Trailhead and Web Assessor accounts are linked to avoid missing critical updates. Certification is a hallmark of your expertise and the trust placed in you. Salesforce values the integrity and confidentiality of its certification process. Always adhere to Salesforce's certification program agreement and exam policies, safeguarding your credentials' credibility. Now, let's explore an exciting upgrade: dynamic actions for mobile. This powerful feature allows you to assign actions directly in the Lightning App Builder, adding filters based on user fields, device types, and more. For example, imagine a sales manager sees action buttons tailored specifically to their role when viewing account records on their mobile device. It's personalization at its finest. This enhancement applies across editions from Essentials to Unlimited, available in both Lightning Experience and the Salesforce mobile app. Next, we're diving into intelligence views, a game changer for managing your leads, contacts, and accounts. Intelligence views simplify data analysis and enhance productivity directly within your Salesforce environment. Let's start with the Lead Intelligence view. Once activated in Setup, add the Intelligence View button to your lead list view. Here, you instantly see engagement metrics like leads contacted, meetings scheduled, or overdue tasks. Imagine quickly identifying leads needing immediate follow-up. This view empowers your sales team to prioritize effectively. Similarly, the Contact Intelligence view provides clarity on how engaged your contacts are. You'll immediately identify contacts who've been recently engaged or perhaps neglected. Insights such as email interactions or Einstein conversation insights are now right at your fingertips. No guesswork required. And let's not forget the Account Intelligence view, your new one-stop workspace for managing accounts. Here, quickly see open opportunities, review recent activities, or log new tasks, all without navigating away. This view streamlines your daily workflow, saving valuable time. Let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. Question 1. Which feature allows an admin to set filters based on user fields so that specific actions are visible only to certain users? A. Dynamic actions. B. Standard objects. C. Mobile permissions. D. Lightning App Builder. The correct answer is A. Dynamic actions. These allow you to apply filters based on user fields, ensuring that the right actions are visible only to the intended users. Question 2. Which type of view is now available for leads, contacts, and accounts? A. Overview. B. Setup. C. Active. D. Intelligence. The correct answer is D. Intelligence. Salesforce's new intelligence views provide detailed insights and engagement metrics for each object. Question 3. After turning on the lead intelligence view, what additional step must an admin take for users to see it? A. Turn on engagement metrics in Setup. B. Add the intelligence view button to the lead list view in Setup. C. Update their existing org to the latest release version. D. Open the side panel to view all available insights. The correct answer is B. After enabling the lead intelligence view, you must add the intelligence view button to the lead list view in Setup to make it accessible to users. Question 4. How does a user return to the original list view from the contact intelligence view? A. Use the icon next to the contact name. B. Click list view in the button menu. C. Select the edit icon in the button menu. D. Close the side panel view of the contact. The correct answer is B. Simply clicking on list view in the button menu allows users to return to the original list view. Question 5. In the account intelligence view, how does a user view insights on an account? A. Close intelligence view and navigate to an individual account record. B. Click the icon beside a record name to open the side panel and view all available insights. C. Run match production license or request a sandbox refresh. D. Create a dedicated workspace for account management. The correct answer is B. By clicking the icon next to a record name, the side panel opens to display comprehensive insights for that account. Great job, Trailblazers. Today, we've covered how to keep your administrator certification current with Spring 24's powerful updates, including dynamic mobile actions and insightful intelligence views. Remember, leveraging these features helps your org run smarter, faster, and more effectively. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the Declarative Academy for more Salesforce insights, and let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep blazing your trail.